Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button, and by tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have the watermark option, so let's pick it, and here we can add timestamp on photos and also add the device watermark. By using these buttons we can easily turn them on and off. As you can see, we can add one of this or both at the same time, and with the device watermark is connected the custom one, so when we tap here we can add our own watermark as we need. For example, let me write here hard reset and save. But remember that these two watermarks are connected, so when we turn off the device, as you can see, the custom is locked, so you can't add the custom without the device. Now let me keep turning it on all of these watermarks. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see them at the real one. And now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. As you can see, the watermarks appear here at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. From the left we have the Mi 10T Lite watermark, so the device with hard reset, the custom one, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the camera, then to these settings in the right corner, then to the left to this button, tap on the watermark and use these buttons to turn it off. So now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.